Hello students, today we are going to review our special sounds. We're going to go through each chart and we're going to go to each special sound. We're going to review the special sound and we're going to look at examples for the special sound. So we're going to look at it, we're going to spell it, we're going to say an example, and then we're going to look at more examples of that special sound. So we're going to start with chart number 6, and we're going to start with k in duck. CK says k in duck, duck. Neck, quick, back, sock, lock, pack. CK says k in duck. And even though both of these sounds say k, k, we only make the k sound one time. Okay, the next one is the E in me. E says E in me. When you have an E at the end of a short word, it makes the long E sound. E, E, E. Me, he, we, be. E in me. Then we have the O in go. O says O in go. And just like with E and me, when you have an O at the end of a short word, it makes the long O sound. So, no, go, yo-yo. The O says O in go. Then we have I in fly. The I sometimes likes to pretend it's a vowel, and in this example, the Y says I in fly. So Y says I in fly. Buy, fry, try, my. When you have a Y, just like the E in me and the O in go, when you have a Y at the end of a short word, the Y says I. Then we have the A in pray. A in pray only makes the long A sound. The Y doesn't make a sound at all. A in pray. A-Y says A in pray. Stay, day, hay, tray, play, way. A-Y says A in pray. St in stop. S-T says st in stop. Up, stop. Stick, dust, west, stone, stand, last. S-T says st in stop. P in plain. P-L says P in plain. Planet, plan, plus, plate, please, plug. P-L says P in plain. Fur in frog. F-R says fur in frog. Frost, freeze, fruit, frail, Fred, frame. F-R says fur in frog. Tur in train. T-R says tur in train. Trade, trim, truck, true, treat, trip. T-R says tur in train, train. S-H says sh in ship, sh in ship. sh. She says sh. The E in me, so it's a long E. She, shine, cash, shut, shave, fresh. Fur in frog, sh in ship, fresh. Then we have in thick, in thick. It is a soft sound. In thick. TH says in thick. Thump, path, moth, thin, theme, bath. This is a soft TH sound. Then we have th in this. The in this. TH also says the. Your tongue a little bit vibrates on your teeth. With in thick, you put your tongue on your teeth and you breathe out. It's very soft. For the th in this, you put your tongue on your teeth and you vibrate it. In this. So it's harder. It's a little harder. So TH also says in this. That, thine, than, thine, that, thy, then, bathe. Okay? So this TH says in this. It's a little harder of a sound. Bl in block. BL says bl in block. Blame, bless, blend, bleed, blush, blake. BL says bl in block. Cl in clock. CL says cl in clock. Clip, click, close, clean, clay, clap. Here you have the cl in clock and the A in pray to make a word, clay. So CL says cl in clock. FL says fl in flake. Fl in flake. Flame, flap, flick, flute, float, flag. FL says fl in flake. And our last one for chart 6, gl in glue. GL says gl in glue. We have glad, globe, glaze, glen, glass, and gloat. GL says gl in glue. Now on the board I have a few examples of these special sounds, and we're going to break them down a little bit to see how to read them with short vowels or long vowels, or no long or short vowel sounds, but only special sounds. So here we have fry, and we have two special sounds. We have the fur in frog and the I in fly. The fur in frog and the I in fly. The Y sometimes likes to be a vowel. All of our words have to have vowels. So sometimes Y gets to be that vowel. And in this example, the Y is the vowel and it makes the long I sound. Fry, I. It is a short word and the Y is at the end, so it's the I in fly. Here we have click. We have the cl in clock. We have a short I because we have one vowel in our word, so it's short I. And then we have the k in duck. K, click. Blush, we have the bl in block. Once again, we have one vowel, so our U is a short sound. And then we have the sh in ship. Sh, blush. Sh, blush. Here we have the gl in glue, and we have two vowels. So when you have one vowel, your vowels A, E, I, O, U are short. When you have two vowels, your vowels are long. Our short vowels are A, E, I, A. Our long vowel sounds are A, E, I, O, and U. So here we have two vowels, and the rule for our two vowels in a word is the first vowel is the long vowel sound, and our second vowel is silent. So the E doesn't even make a sound. So we have gl in glue, our long O sound, glow, glow, and then a B sound, globe, globe, and our E is silent. Here we have the fur in frog, and we have the sh in ship, and we have one vowel, so it makes the short E sound. Fur in frog, sh, fresh, fresh. Here are two examples. We have a word with two vowels, and we have a word with one vowel. We have the B-A, which is a long A and a silent E. Since we have two vowels in this word, the first vowel is our long A sound, and the second one is silent. And then we have a TH. Now in this word, this TH makes the th. It's a harder TH. Your tongue goes between your teeth, and it vibrates a little bit, okay? Bathe, bathe. This one has only one vowel, so it's a short vowel. And it also has the TH, but this TH is soft. Bath, 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 Your tongue is between your teeth, and you push out some air softly. So bathe, bath. Okay, so bathe and bath. And then here we have two special sounds, tur and the A in pray. Tur and train, A in pray. Now this one's important because you would think, since it has one vowel, that this would be a short vowel, but not so. When you have the special sounds in the word, it is a special sound. So that's why it's important to recognize the special sounds, because this says tray, tray, not tray, tray. So when you see and recognize the special sounds, you remember this is not a short vowel. It is a special sound. Tur in train, A in pray. So we pronounce it tray. So this example does not get the short A sound, even though there is one vowel in it, because this is actually a special sound. All right, so here are just a few examples of our chart number 6 and the special sounds in those. Very good, students. That'll be all. Bye.